Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Human and today is the first session of Arduino Prerequisites. And I'm here to give you a brief and useful explanation about variable. Before continuing the video, I'm glad to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, let's go! What is Arduino programming language? Arduino uses a variant of the C++ programming language. The code is written in C++ with an addition of a special method and functions. You can see Arduino Mega and Arduino Uno. Well guys, now it's time to know about Arduino variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. Okay, in Arduino there are different types of variables. For example, integer, double, char, string, and boolean. Okay, and now I want to explain these variables. Okay, the first variable is integer. It stores integers, whole numbers, without decimals such as 123 or minus 123. The second one is double. It stores floating point numbers with decimals such as 19.99 or minus 19.99. The third one is char. It stores single characters such as A or B. Char values are surrounded by single quote. Fourth is string. Okay, string stores text such as hello world. String's values are surrounded by double quotes. And the fifth is boolean. A bool stores values with two states, true or false. Okay guys, now it's time to declaring or creating variables. To create a variable, specify the type and assign it a value. Here is syntax. Type, variable name equal value. Type is one of C++ types like integer, like boolean, and something like this that I showed you in last page. And variable name is the name of the variable, such as x or my name. The equal sign is used to assign value to the variable. To create a variable that should store a number, look at the following example. Int my num equal 15 semicolon, and that's it. Okay guys, now we have two notes. The first note is you can also declare a variable without assigning the value and assign the value later. And the second note is if you assign a new value to an existing variable, it will overwrite the previous value. I will show you in Arduino tutorial, so don't worry about that. Declare multiple variables. First, I want to show you how to declare many variables. To declare more than one variable of the same type, use comma separated list. For example, int x equal 5, comma y equal 10, comma z equal 60. And the second one is one value to multiple variable. You can also assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. Okay, in one line. For example, int x, comma y, comma z, semicolon, and then you can assign the value for all of these variables. X equal Y equal Z equal 50. And that's it. Okay guys, now it's time to know about constant variables. When you don't want other or yourself to change existing variable values, use the const keyword. This will declare the variable as constant, which means unchangeable and read-only. You can see the example of constant variables. For example, here const string my name equal double quote human. The end of the line you should write semicolon. Don't forget to write semicolon in the end of the line. And for example, here const float pi equal to 3.14 semicolon, and that's it. Very easy. I will show you in Arduino tutorial. Okay guys, that's enough for this session. Thank you to being with me until the end of the video, and don't forget to like my video.